Morras and Morros, welcome to our channel. Now welcome back to our channel. Alright, so for today's challenge, we are gonna be doing the sneezing challenge. As it was highly requested. Nah, just kidding, it was one requester, but we got you.
We got you.
We got you.
Right.
So
let's get right into it.
Yeah, let's just get right into it. So Laura, quick backstory. We went to the 99 Ranch Market the other day, and Laura's dumbass, like as per usual, wanted to get rice crackers, and she didn't notice they said wasabi.
They said wasabi. I don't know why I read it, but I didn't process it. Anyways, all these are
wasabi flavor.
And
they're like really spicy. So let's see if how many we. Oh, let's see if 5 put them all in our mouth.
Okay. Let's see who sneezes first.
Yeah, let's see who sneezes first.
Okay. Got like this much.
Okay, I got this much.
Okay, ready?
Oh my god. Okay, we need more.
We need more. That one.
Okay.
Let me put up my nose now.
Yeah, I'm gonna put 2 up my nose.
Me too. Okay, these are really strong. These 2 right here.
Okay.
Okay, ready?
Okay, doing nothing to the nose.
Okay, nothing. But now I'm not gonna eat them because
what are the odds you eat them?
Okay.
Are you serious?
Okay, 1 to 10.
Okay.
1. Oh,
okay.
3.
1.
Okay. We lost our twin telepathy.
Okay.
Right.
1.
2.
Oh my god. Okay.
Okay.
3
1, 2.
Let's see when we get it right. Okay.
Right. 1, 2, 1.
Oh my god. Okay.
Okay.
1, 2. Okay. 1. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Okay. What are the odds you eat it?
Okay.
Bro?
3. Okay.
3?
No, 3. 1 to 10.
Oh.
I was ready to count.
Okay.
3, 2, 1, 4. Okay, it's a good thing I don't have COVID or I'm not sick. But bro, that's gross. Fuck, that's nasty. Aparte de que saben feo. Ahora con moco.
I think they lost the wasabi flavor, bro.
What are the odds you put a handful, like a handful?
Okay. Oh, I'll just do it.
Okay, just do it.
Why?
Because I eat mocos.
Because I'm a championa, güey.
A championa.
It's a combination of champion and campeona. Okay.
That's not even a handful, bro.
Okay, bro, I'm going. Chill.
Okay, let me eat.
Okay, like this?
Yeah. Okay, let me join. I always feel it go up, but the sneeze doesn't come out.
Okay, let's put a Q-tip up our nose.
Okay, let's try. Q-tips? Wow, that was strong. Okay, go as far as you can, but don't make yourself bleed now. Q-tip.
Stick to it. Ew, moco.
Bro, that was nasty.
It was a little one.
A little one?
Okay. Maybe this side.
Oh, that's making me... Okay, that was not a good idea.
That just made me itchy.
Okay, what else? Oh, this one sometimes make me sneeze when I'm doing my makeup. This is translucent powder, guys. Okay.
Okay, put up your nose.
Bitch. Ay, no, güey, se me salieron los mocos.
Oh, shit.
Bro. I
Wow.
don't think I'm gonna sneeze, bro.
Bro, we were sneezing all day long. Like,
What? I can't see.
Okay, so what do we do now?
Manches,
Oh
güey.
my god, bro.
Y ni así destornudé.
You ate the whole fucking powder, bro.
What the hell is my nails made out of, bro?
Me too, bro. We'll just
Not as bad as mine.
Now, guys, we have some
I think we get it.
Grand Canyon red pepper. I think this will do it.
Yeah, you go first.
Okay. Oh shit, that's a lot, but whatever.
Oh, that's a lot.
Okay.
I'm not sticking this up my nose.
Okay. Oh, I think it's gonna kick in.
Mendiga.
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
It burns, bro. It fucking burns.
Yeah, I'm not doing that. I love you guys, but not that much.
It burns.
Yeah, I don't know what else to do. I'm not sniffing this up my nose. I can put my finger up my nose to see if I can make it tickle. Nah, I'm not gonna.
Bro, I don't know why I'm not sneezing. Like, it fucking burns.
I'm throwing this out, guys. We normally have allergies. Oh, dust. Oh, I know with what? Dust. Oh, Lord. Fucking inhale that.
Ew, bro. Fuck, now my nose is spiced up, bro. This was a terrible idea, guys. I'm spiced up. Damn. All this accomplished was just get us a runny nose, guys. I didn't even sneeze. Well, that was disappointing.
Alright, guys. Well, that's it for today's challenge. I know we didn't sneeze, but we did give it a try.
We give it a try now. I'm really spiced up. I'm gonna go wash this off, actually. Like.
Okay, guys. Thank you guys for watching.
Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment.
And do your thing. And be awesome. And thank you guys for 52,000 subscribers. Pew, pew, pew. Alright, guys. We love you guys. And peace out. She did it. We completed the challenge.
Okay, I'm all spiced up. I'm gonna go wash this off, bro.
Peace out.